and the first event of the day, and my first event in World Championships was clock. And even though I got like a high 8 average, I wasn't too mad or sad about this average because the scrambles in this round were so undeniably mid. Like, there's only one scramble, which I think was the second scramble, which was like not even that great. There was only like 2 connected pieces. So yeah, really bad scrambles, but
8 seconds.
I'm still happy about my times. I'm ready.
Eight seconds.
I'm ready. Eight seconds. I'm ready.
8 seconds.
I'm gonna do pyramids right now. I really want to do good, even though I don't care about pyramids. I just want to do good because it's worlds, and I really want to break my PR that I broke. That was from like a year ago. So hopefully I don't sell.
That should have been bad. Thank you. 8 seconds.
I just messed up what could have been like a 4. I'm very disappointed. I'm ready.
Eight seconds.
I'm ready.
8 seconds. 12 seconds. Here.
I'm ready.
Eight seconds. 12.
Kevin, fight.
And then after pyramids, they began the coolest and most entertaining part of the day, opening ceremony. First thing that happened is they performed a traditional Native American dance, which was really cool to watch. And then one of the later dances, they did this cool bird dance where they did this cool thing with the beaks to make this sound. And then they walked around the crowd just looking at people, and it was really cool. And they scared the crap out of Jeffrey Chen. And then after the dancing, they started the flag ceremony, which is also really cool to watch, to see all the different nations and people that came all across the world to compete in this one event. This really shows how big of a community and sport cubing really is. And then there was Nations Cup, where everybody thought the finals would be with Poland and the U.S. competing against each other. But then, in one of the last rounds, it looks like U.S. is a little bit ahead here, with Luke Gracer finishing himself before Poland does. And then Luke is able to finish right before Timon, so that means Poland is out of the finals. And then U.S. is going to inspect here. And then Max Park goes first.
Begins in 3, 2, 1, go.
And it starts off pretty well. Turning is good and fast. And he gets a 6:28. Luke Gracer then goes and locks up quite a bit here, but still gets a 6:70. And then Luke is going to get a 5:78. Is that enough to win? Let's see. So China has inspection here. And then Yiheng is going to go first.
8 seconds. First solo begins in 3, 2, 1, go.
And really fast turning, pretty fluid. And he gets a 4:33. Really fast. And then Wolfgang is going to go. He gets a 5:33. And then Schwani is going to get a 5:32, which means China wins the Nations Cup at Worlds 2025.